So, welcome back for today's class. Today we are starting with the part 3. Okay, so as you all know that in our chapter 6 division, we have completed 2 parts. Okay, and till exercise 5, we have completed our division chapter. Okay, so today we are going to start with the new exercise. Yes, exercise 6. Okay, so part 3 is about exercise 6 and 7. Exercise 8 will be your homework. Okay, so now let us start our new exercise. Exercise 6. Find the quotient and remainder long division. Students, in the last class we understood how to divide, right? हमने division किया था. In that we understood about the divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. So today we are continuing with the same method. आज भी हम सेम मेथड से सम्स करेंगे, बट स्पेसिफिकली मतलब अलग से हमें बताना है कि क्वोशिएंट क्या है एंड रिमाइंडर क्या है. ओके, सो दिस इज द लॉन्ग डिवीजन. ओके, दिस इज द लॉन्ग डिवीजन. सो वी हैव टू राइट डाउन क्वोशिएंट एंड रिमाइंडर. जब हम सम सॉल्व करेंगे उसके बाद जो हमारा क्वोशिएंट है और जो हमारा रिमाइंडर है, दैट वी हैव टू राइट डाउन. Say for example, first of all, हम एक example solve करते हैं. Then after that we will start. Okay, so this example you don't have to write in your notebook. This is just for the explanation. Okay, so say for example, I am writing 12. 12 is divided by 4. Right? 12 is divided by 4. This is just for example. Now this 12 is divided by 4. Okay. So now my dear students, in the table of 4, 12 is going how much times? In the table of 4, 12 is going how many times? Let us see. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are 12. So in the table of 4, 12 कितनी times जाता है? 3 times. कितनी times जाता है? 3 times. So this is 12 here. Now this 12 will be subtracted from 12. Right? So 2 minus 2 is 0 and this 1 minus 1 is 0. Right? So in the table of 4, 12 is going 3 times and this 12 will be subtracted. Right? So our answer, that is, see here the remainder is 0 but our final answer is 3. ये है हमारा quotient and this is the remainder. Right? जो लास्ट में बचाता है वो है remainder. Okay, कितनी टाइम्स आता है, that is the quotient. Okay, so this is the, yes, what is this? This is the divisor जो डिवाइड कर रहा है ना? 4 डिवाइड कर, 4 से डिवाइड करते हैं. Then this 12 is the dividend. क्या डिवाइड हो रहा है? 12 डिवाइड हो रहा है. So this is the dividend. Okay, see, this is the quotient. Right? See, this is the quotient. This is the divisor, है ना? Divisor. Then this is the dividend, and this 0 is the remainder. Right? This 0 is the remainder. Right? So like this way, students, we have done the exercise. Okay, and exercise 5 was your homework. So this way we have done the sums. Now we will do the long division. Okay, same method we are using, but with that we will write the quotient and remainder. This quotient we have to write down and remainder also we will write down. Okay, so now take out your maths notebook. First of all, understand this video and then you have to copy down the exercises from the attached PDF. Students, we have done the sums in which our remainder is 0. Right? अब तक हमने जितने भी sums किए उसमें remainder क्या था? 0 था. Okay, so in this exercise we will do both the sums. Both the sums means in which remainder will not be 0 and remainder will be 0. मतलब दोनों टाइप के sums करेंगे. जिसमें remainder 0 भी आए ना 0 के अलावा भी remainder जो आता है, that type of sums we are going to understand today. Okay, so let us start with the first sum. Okay, my dear students, little bit tough for you. Okay, so here is the first one. Okay, so now we will start with the first sum. All right, so 18 divided by 2. Okay, so 18 divided by 2. Now here this 18 is the dividend and this 2 is the divisor. Okay, so we have to divide this 18 to the 2. Okay, so here is 2. Now students, see in the table of 2 18 आता है. सोचो 2 के टेबल में 18 आता है. Yes, आता है. कितनी टाइम्स आता है? Let us start. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18. So this 9 and here we will write down 18. So ये हम क्या करेंगे? Subtract करेंगे, right? So 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay, this 8 minus 8 is 0 and this 1 minus 1 is also 0. See students, here the remainder is 0. Okay, so here what we have to write down? We have to find out, and with that we have to write down quotient and remainder. Quotient and remainder. So the quotient is QUOTIENT. So the quotient is, what is the quotient? 9. Right? Quotient क्या है हमारा? 9. And remainder. Right? Remainder. Remainder हमारा क्या है? 0. Okay, double 0 or 0. You can write down in both the way. Right? So the quotient and remainder. See, 18 को जब 2 से आपने डिवाइड किया, so quotient आया 9 and remainder आया 0. So this particularly हमको लिखना है कि quotient क्या है? 9 और remainder क्या है? 0. Okay, my dear students. Now the second one. Okay, so 25 divided by 5. Right? 25 divided by 5. So 25 को किससे डिवाइड करना? 5 से करना है. Okay, so let us understand this. 25 divided by 5. Now my dear students, in the table of 5 25 आता है? Yes, आता है. अब कितनी टाइम्स आता है? सोचो. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. Yes, so in the table of 5 25 is going 5 times. कितनी टाइम्स आता है? 5 times. Right? So here is 25. Okay, so this we will write down. Okay, subtract करके जो आंसर लिखना है. 5 minus 5 is 0 and this 2 minus 2 is 0. Right? See, 5 के टेबल में 25 5 टाइम्स जाता है. 5 5s are 25. So 25 को 25 से subtract करोगे, so our answer will be 0. Okay? Now we will write down the quotient and remainder. QUOTIENT. Quotient is, what is the quotient? See, this is the quotient. So 5 and remainder. Right? Remainder. Remainder is 0 0. Okay? If आप सिंपल 0 लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. Okay? Quotient is 5 and remainder is 0. Right? Now continue with the third one. Okay? So now my dear students, now this sum is a little bit new for you. Why? क्योंकि इसमें remainder 0 नहीं आएगा. So please pay attention. Okay? Now Okay, so here 35 divided by 4. 35 divided by 4. हमें 35 को किससे डिवाइड करना है? 4 से. Okay, so please 35 divided by 4. Pay attention, okay? Now my dear students, see 35 को 4 से डिवाइड करना है. Now think 4 के टेबल में 35 जाता है? Let's see. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36. Okay, then 4 10s are 40. अब 4 के टेबल में 35 तो नहीं आता, राइट माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? उससे बड़ा नंबर आता है. कौन सा? 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. तो वो तो नहीं ले सकते. छोटे नंबर में से बड़ा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते डिवीजन में. तो हम क्या लेंगे? द नंबर विच इज स्मॉलर देन 35. द नंबर विच इज स्मॉलर देन 35. ओके, सो लेट्स सी which number is smaller than 35. Once again, let us just recall the table of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, or 4 9s are 36. So 36 is greater than 35. So कौन सा नंबर लेंगे? 32, right? So 4 के टेबल में 32 कितनी टाइम्स जाता है? 8 टाइम्स. कितनी टाइम्स जाता है माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? 8 टाइम्स. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. Now my dear students, please pay attention. Okay, देखो अब 5 minus 2. Now we will subtract 2 from this 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 में से 2 को कट किया, so answer is 3. Then 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So students, here the remainder is not 0. Remainder क्या है हमारा? 3. Remainder is 3. And quotient is 8. And the quotient is 8. Okay? So write down quotient QUOTRENT. Quotient is 8. And remainder is, what is the remainder? Remainder is 3. Remainder क्या बच गया? 3. Okay my dear students, now once again I am explaining you this one. Okay, see 35 divided by 4. 35 को डिवाइड करना है 4 से. Now my dear students, think 35 आता है 4 के टेबल में? No, नहीं आता. तो अब हमने 4 का टेबल याद किया, राइट? Then 4 के टेबल में 4 9s are 36 आता है. 36 आता है, but 35 नहीं आता. तो बड़ा नंबर नहीं ले सकते, उससे छोटा नंबर चाहिए हमको, राइट? सो छोटा नंबर क्या आया? 32. And that is going 8 times. 4 8s are 32. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So our quotient is 8 and remainder is 3. My dear students, please remember this, okay? That division में हम छोटे नंबर में से बड़ा नंबर माइनस नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so we have to take the smaller number. See, 4 8s are 32. 35 से छोटा है 32. Okay, then the remainder is 3. Okay, so first, second and third we have done. Now we will continue with the 4th, 5th and 6th. Okay my dear students, now let's continue with the 4th. Okay, 4th one. 42 divided by 6. 42 divided by 6. 42 इससे डिवाइड हो रहा है 6 से. Okay, so now first of all you will write down 42. Okay, then the symbol of division. Okay, and here you will write down 6. Okay, देखो बेटा 6 यहाँ लिखना है, 42 डिवीजन सिंबल के अंदर लिखना है. Okay, so now 42 is ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 sevens are 42. So 42 is coming in the table of 6. How many times? 7 times. कितनी बार आता है? 7 times. 6 sevens are 42. Right? 6 sevens are 42. Now we will subtract this. Okay. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Right? See, students, in this exercise, remainder 0 भी आएगा और remainder 0 के अलावा भी आएगा. Okay, so in this sum, our remainder is 0. Right? So जब हमने 42 को 6 से divide किया, so quotient क्या आया? 7 and remainder क्या आया? 0. Right? 42 6 के टेबल में 7 times आता है. कितनी times? 7 times. Okay, so write down the quotient. QUOTIENT quotient क्या आया? 7, right? And remainder. Okay? So remainder is 0. Right, my dear students? So now continue with the fifth one. Now 72 divided by 10. 72 को किससे डिवाइड करना है? 10 से. 72 is being divided by 10. Yes. 72 10 से डिवाइड करना है. Okay. So first of all we will write down 72. फिर हम डिवीजन का सिंबल बनाएंगे and here we will write down 10. Right? Now my dear students, think 10 के टेबल में 72 जाता है. Does this 72 comes in the table of 10? Let's see. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, and 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, और 10 tens are 100. So हमने 10 का टेबल याद किया. अब 10 के टेबल में 72 तो नहीं आता है, उससे बड़ा नंबर आता है. Which number comes? 80. 8 times आता है 80. Right? So इससे छोटा नंबर कौन सा लेंगे हम? Very good. क्या लेंगे? 70. Right? तो 10 के टेबल में 70 कितनी टाइम्स जाता है? 7 times. कितनी टाइम्स जाता है? 7 times. Okay, so 10 sevens are 70. 10 sevens are 70. See, 72 10 के टेबल में नहीं आता, so उससे छोटा नंबर लेंगे. So this 10 sevens are 70. Right? Now this 2 minus 0 is 2 and 7 minus 7 is 0. Okay? See, आपको ऐसे डबल डैश लगाना है. Okay, my dear students. So 10 के टेबल में 72 नहीं जाता, उससे छोटा नंबर लिया. So 10 sevens are 70. 2 minus 0 is 2 and 7 minus 7 is 0. Okay? So your quotient is 7, right? And remainder क्या है my dear students? Remainder is 2. What? 2. Remainder is 2. Right? See, as you can see here. See, देखो यहाँ पे remainder is 0 and your remainder is 2. Okay, so this is about the long division. Okay, ऐसे होता है long division. Right? Now the last sum of this exercise, sixth one. Okay, so here we will divide 49 divided by 8. 49 divided by 8. Okay, so 49 divided by 8. So here we will write down 49 and the symbol of division. Then 8. Up we have to check. Does this 49 comes in the table of 8? Let's see. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, 8 10s are 80. Okay, so this 49 is not coming in the table of 8. So we will take the smaller number. What? We will take the smaller number. Now my dear students, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48 and 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56 हो गया. That we can't take here. Then 8 6s are, yes, 8 6s are 48. 8 6s are 48. See, 8 6s are 48, right? Then we will subtract this. Now 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1 and 4 minus 4 is 0. Right? See, 49 को जब आप 8 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 49 तो 8 के टेबल में नहीं आता. So we will take the smaller number. Then we have taken 8 6s are 48. हमने क्या लिया? 48 लिया. So when you subtract this 48 from this 49, remainder is 1. Remainder क्या बच रहा है? 1. Okay. So here the quotient is, what is the quotient? 6. Quotient क्या बचा हमारा? 6 and remainder is 1. Okay, so quotient क्या आया हमारा? 6. See, this is the quotient and remainder is 1. Okay, so my dear students, here we have completed our exercise 6. In the same way, you have to do the exercise 7. Okay, and exercise 8 will be your homework. So this was about the today's class. In the next class, we will start our problem sums. Okay, my dear students, have a nice day.